How to change LLC name in Arizona. To change your LLC name in Arizona, first check if your desired new name is available using the Arizona Corporation Commission's business name search. Once confirmed, download and complete the Articles of Amendment form from the AZCC website. This form must include your current LLC name and the new name you want to use. You can submit it either by mail or online through the eCourt portal. The filing fee is $25 regardless of the method you choose. After submitting, wait about 14 to 16 business days for approval. Once your name change is approved, update your LLC name with the IRS to reflect the change on your EIN record. Next, notify the Arizona Department of Revenue so your tax accounts are updated. You should also contact your business bank, credit card providers, payment processors like PayPal, and any financial software platforms you use. Additionally, update your name on any required business licenses or permits, both state and local. Be sure to revise your website, marketing materials, social media accounts, contracts, and any legal documents. Don't forget to update your LLC's operating agreement with the new name and have all members sign it. Taking these steps ensures your new LLC name is recognized across all government and business platforms.